Traditional quiz creation processes often involve hours of manual effort, taking away too much of your time that would otherwise have been spent focusing on improving the quality of your training. This is where AI quiz generators come in handy. These tools take advantage of the power of artificial intelligence to automate your quiz creation process. They automatically analyze your training topic, create and prepare questions in a quiz style, and even suggest answers. This saves you an incredible amount of time in return. In this video, we'll explore the top AI quiz generators that can revolutionize the way quizzes are created for training purposes. Links are provided in description. Benefits of AI quiz generators. The use of AI quiz generators comes with an array of benefits. Time-saving course creation. AI quiz generators significantly reduce the time needed to develop quizzes for your courses. Training efficiency. These tools make sure that the quizzes generated are well-structured and aligned with your learning objectives, enhancing the overall efficiency of your training program. Quiz variety. AI quiz generators offer a diverse range of question types, including multiple choice, true-false, and even interactive formats. Adaptability. The AI algorithms can adapt to different learning styles and levels, making the quizzes suitable for a wide range of trainees. Now let's delve into some of the best tools available in the market today. First is EdApp, which uses the power of artificial intelligence to generate quizzes for you. Enter your topic, keywords, or even paragraphs of text, and this tool will automatically create your quizzes in a multiple choice, circle the answer, chat, or carousel quiz format. EdApp's other quiz builder tool, Rapid Refresh. It requires you to fill out a simple spreadsheet and choose how often your team gets quizzed. The quizzes are auto-generated with gamified templates like Find a Word, Jeopardy, Elevator Game, and more. EdApp's analytics suite automatically records your learners' responses and progress, so you'll no longer have to check the quizzes manually. Next, AI Quizmaker tool can create interactive quizzes based on a single text. Additionally, it allows you to customize these AI-generated quizzes. You can add more questions, set the difficulty level, and even update the quizzes with your own designs. Need specific questions for your team? You can use Fillout's dynamic quiz builder to input your own questions. Even better, you can include a scoring system to make your assessment more engaging. You can also add your own logo and font to match the quiz's appearance to your brand. Next, Quizbot is an advanced AI question generator that can help whip up a variety of question types, including multiple choice, fill in the blanks, true-false, matching, and more. The best thing is it works on almost any text, PDF, or Word document. It can even create quizzes based on video links. Next, Quizgecko just upload files like PDFs, docs, or PPTs, and Quizgecko transforms them into online quizzes with answers and explanations. You have 3 options to share tests: keep them private and send invites via email, make them public with a link, or share using a join code. Or you can also download your quizzes in text, CSV, and Icon format, so you can add your quizzes to your own learning management system, LMS. Next, OpExam's AI-powered questions generator can create multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blanks, and open questions from a single prompt. Whether it's a long text or just the name of your training topic. You can create questions and quizzes in any language you prefer. You can save your questions and quizzes as CSV or XLSX files or docx files if needed. Next, Questgen quiz generator works in 3 easy steps. Make a quiz by simply entering your text, choosing your quiz types, and clicking on the Generate Questions button. This multiple-choice test maker also allows you to edit the quiz questions to fit your content and branding needs. You can also export them in PDF or text format if needed. Next, Testportal's AI-powered question generator needs you to feed it with what kind of questions you need and upload your source knowledge. For higher quality quizzes, upload as much information as you can. All questions generated by this AI quiz generator can be edited. You can modify the questions, add more, or even include multimedia elements for a more engaging experience. Next, QuizWizard, an AI-powered quiz generator, is designed specifically to help trainers like you save more time in your entire course creation process. Using the power of AI, it can automatically generate quizzes on pretty much any topic. QuizWizard allows you to customize your questions and adapt them to the learning needs of your team. You can also export your quizzes and upload them to your own e-learning platform. Next, Toolsaday's AI-powered question generator lets you create quizzes your way. whether it's multiple choice options, true or false, or filling in the blanks. The tool analyzes your content and produces possible questions and answers, making your questions engaging and truly informative. With its adaptive learning capabilities, it keeps learning and getting better over time. As it analyzes more content, it learns how to create even better quizzes. Next, PrepAI is a great AI quiz generator, allowing you to build high-quality exams, quizzes, and tests with just a single prompt. You can even input multiple content sources and choose from a variety of question formats. This guarantees your quizzes are engaging, relevant, and most of all, impactful. PrepAI makes it simple to export or download them, allowing for easy integration with your preferred learning management system or any e-learning platform.